In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print credit card reconciliation QuickBooks Desktop 2026. We'll walk through how to reconcile a credit card in QuickBooks Desktop and then print a clean report for your records. This helps you confirm your books match your credit card statement and gives you a document you can file, share, or save as a PDF. Start in QuickBooks Desktop with your company file open. At the top of the screen, go to the banking menu and choose Reconcile. This takes you to the reconciliation window, which is designed to mirror your monthly statement so you can compare what's in QuickBooks to what your card issuer shows. Next, choose the correct credit card account from the dropdown. Double-check you're selecting the credit card and not a bank account with a similar name. Enter the statement date exactly as it appears on your statement and type in the ending balance from that same statement. These two fields must match the statement to the penny. If they're off, the difference won't zero out later. Once those are in place, click Continue to move into the matching screen. Now it's time to complete the reconciliation. You'll see a list of charges, credits, and payments recorded in QuickBooks. Compare these to your statement and check off each matching transaction. It can help to sort by date or amount, so things line up more clearly. Keep an eye out for duplicates, transactions that haven't cleared yet, or missing items that might be dated outside the statement period. As you mark items that appear on the statement, watch the difference field. Your goal is for the difference to equal $0,000. If it doesn't, recheck your statement date and ending balance and confirm you've only selected items that actually appear on the statement. When the difference shows $0,000 and everything looks right, click Reconcile Now. After reconciling, the reconciliation report window will appear automatically. Here you can choose the type of report you want. Summary gives you a concise overview, while detail includes the full list of cleared and uncleared transactions, which is usually best for documentation and audits. Select the option you prefer, then click Display to review it on screen. If it looks good, click Print. Choose your physical printer if you want a hard copy, or select the option to save as a PDF if you'd like a digital file you can store or share. That's it. You've reconciled your credit card and printed a proper report to back it up. Thanks for watching, and keep your reconciliations current for clean, reliable books.